Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Debian on DigitalOcean Droplets with SSH hardening, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Click on the Create button in the top right corner. Choose Droplets from the drop-down menu. Select the Debian distribution from the list of operating systems. Choose the version of Debian you wish to install. Next, select your desired plan based on your resource needs. Choose the data center region that is closest to your target audience. Scroll down to the Authentication section. Select the SSH key option and add your public SSH key. If you do not have an SSH key, you will need to generate one on your local machine. For Linux or Mac OS, open your terminal and enter SSH keygen. Press Enter to accept the default file location. Choose a passphrase for added security or leave it empty for no passphrase. Navigate to the generated SSH key file, usually found in the .ssh directory. Copy the contents of the public key file, which ends with .pub. Paste the public key into the SSH key. Once you've configured all settings, click on the Create Droplet button. Wait for the droplet to be provisioned and assigned an IP address. Note down the IP address of your newly created droplet. Now, open your terminal to access the droplet via SSH. Use the command SSH root at your _droplet_IP to connect. If prompted, type yes to trust the SSH fingerprint. Once logged in, update your package lists with apt update. Upgrade installed packages with apt upgrade Y. Now, create a new user for added security with add user new _username. Follow the prompts to set the password and user information. Grant the new user sudo privileges by appending them to the sudo group. Use the command usermod ag sudo new _username. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.